Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen gummy bears. First, gather your favorite gummy candies and a baking sheet. This simple trick transforms ordinary gummies into a delightful, chewy treat. You'll be amazed at how a little time in the freezer can change their texture. It's a fun and easy snack to prepare for any occasion, perfect for a warm day or just a unique sweet craving. Get ready to enjoy a whole new gummy experience. Now, let's get those gummies ready for their frosty transformation. Start by selecting your favorite flavors. A mix always makes it more exciting. Carefully spread them out on a baking sheet, making sure they are in a single layer. This is crucial to prevent them from sticking together as they freeze. You want each gummy to have its own space, ensuring an even freeze and easy separation later. This small step makes a big difference. Once your gummy bears are neatly arranged, it's time for the freezer. Place the baking sheet inside and let them chill for at least 1 hour. For that perfect, extra firm chewiness, I recommend leaving them in for 2 to 3 hours. You can always check their texture after an hour to see if they've reached your desired level of frozen goodness. Patience here will be rewarded with a truly satisfying snack. Your frozen gummy bears are now ready to enjoy. They're best served immediately, offering a delightful, chewy, and cool sensation. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and pop them back into the freezer. They'll stay fresh and ready for your next craving. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your unique frozen treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.